welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my Supernatural Pan Interrupted update for you. This was started like eons ago, like absolute eons ago, August 19th, 2018. Yeah, it seems like forever ago. This is a Supernatural project pan based on the television show Supernatural, and the idea is to work on 6 products at a time and pan a product or set a goal. It doesn't have to be like finishing, but set a goal for a product for every single episode that ever aired. You just have to tie that product into that episode. When you have reached whatever goal you have, you roll that product out in that episode out, and then you roll in a new episode and a new product for the new episode. I have just a few of season 4 left, and I am currently working on season 5. I do have one product that is rolling out. I have goal met on that one, so I will be rolling in a new episode and a new product. I'm just going to go in the order that the episodes are, the order that the episodes are. And when I get to the rollout, I will let you know that that is rolling out. And then, of course, the very last thing is going to be the roll in, because that's the newest episode. All right. Wow. I don't know where my brain is tonight. I don't know if you can hear it. I don't know if my camera's picking it up or not. It is like torrential downpour outside. I'm just thankful it's not snow, because we would probably have like 3 or 4 feet of snow right now if it was, if this rain was snow, because it's just raining that hard, and it has been all day long. So, all right, let's get into this update. The first one is Death Takes a Holiday. This is season 4, and I went literal with that, and I chose something that had holiday packaging. This is the Bath & Body Works Vanilla Bean Noel Body Cream. I love this stuff. It smells amazing, and I do like the body creams much better than the lotions. I do like the lotions in the summertime, but I like the creams in the wintertime. This was brand new when I started at 255 grams. It was last update 186 grams, and we are down to 96 grams. So I used 90 grams in since the last update. I do believe with only 96 grams left, this is probably going to be done by the next episode, because if I used 90 grams last time and there's only 96 here, and that includes the weight of the actual packaging, I think I can probably have this one done. If I had to venture a guess, I would say I'm probably like in this range here, and there's no reason why I couldn't get that done. So that's probably going to be a rollout for next update. The next is Jump the Shark. And this is another one that will probably be rolled out next time. This is the Revlon Color Stay Gel Envy in Card Shark, which is this pink color. This is just the top coat. It came in a set like that. I only wanted to use this 3 times. I have used it twice, so I'm sure I will get another usage done in the next month. So that could be potentially 2 rollouts next time. All right, this next product is going to be in here for a while. This is for Lucifer Rising, in that there was 66 seals. More of the 66 seals were broken in that episode, and when I brought this in, I actually broke the seal off of this. I don't know if you can see, it's still kind of sticky right there. I have not used this. It is the, it smells really good. This is the Philosophy Mandarin Mimosa Body Cream, and the reason I haven't started using that is because I am still working on this. So as soon as the Bath & Body Works is done, I will be working on that. So I never did take a weight on this. I will weigh it before I start using it. I probably should do that as soon as I'm done with this video. All right, the next one is my rollout. This is the first episode of season 5. This is Sympathy for the Devil. In that episode, they're looking for a mythical weapon. So I went into my Essence Fairy Wings and Magical Things palette. And this is the shade Fairy Wand. And I wanted to hit pan on that. I should have a nice little overlay for you, or a still shot. And yeah, I'm happy to have pan, because I am trying to hit a lot of pans this year. So it makes me very happy to have a new pan done. Yay! All right, the next one is Good God, Y'all, and that is where Castiel is cut off from heaven. So I chose the Bare Minerals Heavenly Diamond Mineral Eyeshadow. I wanted to use this 10 times. I have used it 4 times so far. Don't know if I will have 6 uses on it by the next update, because I have a lot of eyeshadows and projects right now, but I know I will have at least a few more done. Hopefully I can get to the 6, but I'm not promising anything. I do think I'm going to have rollouts next time anyway, so I don't have to rush on that one. The very last one is Free to Be You and Me. In that episode, Sam decides he wants to stop hunting. If you know the show, you understand what that means. So I chose the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Shadow in Hunts. I am wearing it today, and I will do, like I said, a little overlay so you can check out the progress I'm making on it. This palette, I've had it for quite a while, and like a blush that I'm working on in 50 Shades of Green, this one has little pieces that are chipping off or breaking off, and I am putting them in a little container on the side, and I am using those little pieces as they crumble off so that they are not wasted. So it does look a little bit weird, but that is because it is crumbling. But I am using it, I am not wasting it. And my goal on this one is to hit pan. I do not think it's going to happen by the next update, because even though I really like the shade, it's not something that I'm going to wear every single day. It is not really a winter shade to me. It's more of a fall shade, but you know, it matches my shirt, which I kind of like. But yeah, I'm just going to keep working on it. Even if it takes a few more updates, I'm okay with that. I'm totally okay with that. So that is my products that are continuing on, my one that is rolling out, and I have to roll in a new episode and a new eyeshadow, and it's an eyeshadow. This is for The End. That is the name of the episode. In this episode, Dean finds himself 5 years into the future. In this scenario, there are zombies throughout, and yeah, it's not a good place to be 5 years into the future. Of course, you know, this was quite a while ago, so you know, we've already passed that time, and there was no zombies. I think we're good. So with the zombie theme in mind, I have chosen this eyeshadow from Laura Geller. It is like one of her baked, and I depotted it, and this is in the shade Unearthed. I think it is this shade right here, the lighter shade, and I'm going to use that for 10 uses. Yeah, because this one's Dutch chocolate, and this one's Unearthed. It makes more sense that the darker one is the Dutch chocolate. So yeah, this lighter marbly looking one is Unearthed, and I would like to use that for 10 uses. I think I can make that happen. All right, so that is my update. I definitely have lots of people listed down below that have joined in. Some come and go as they please, which is totally fine. I know some people have needed to take breaks for whatever reason, and that is awesome. This is just the most chill, relaxed kind of project. There is no pressure to have something done in a certain amount of time. This, like I said, it's been going on since 2018. Yeah, it's going to take a while, and I'm only on season 5 of 15 seasons. So yeah, it's going to be around for a while, but this year I'm hoping to make some good progress. I would love to get through all of season 5 this year if I possibly can. So, all right, I'm going to wrap this up. Definitely check out everyone else that has joined in. If you want to join in, we would love to have you on this painting journey. It is open to anyone that wants to join. It is super low key, and yeah, I will tell you it's a challenge though. If you don't know the show and the episodes, it could get a little hard, because this show is good versus evil, and that's kind of hard to find matches in your beauty collection to match that theme. So you have to be very creative in how you link your products. So, you know, it is definitely a challenge, but it is a fun challenge to me. I like those things that make me think, so that's why I wanted to do this project. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.